If you're looking for a lightweight Android emulator that can smoothly run games like Free Fire, PUBG, or other Android apps and games on your old PC, then Lenovo Emulator is a solid choice. Lenovo Emulator is optimized to run even on low-end PCs. Whether your system has 2GB, 4GB, or even just 1GB of RAM, it's designed to give you stable performance without putting too much load on your system. It includes useful features like key mapping for games and resolution settings. It is a good option for gaming, testing apps, or just using Android on Windows. Before we get started, I have a small request. Please like the video and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Now let's get started. First, click on the link in the description. It will take you to the website. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the download button. Click on it and you'll be redirected to my Google Drive. Here, click on the download button again to get the emulator setup file. Once the file is downloaded, go to your downloads folder. Now open the setup. Click Install and the installation will begin. When it's finished, click Launch and your Android emulator will start. The first launch may take a little longer since it's creating the Android environment. By default, this emulator runs on Android 7, but if you want to upgrade it to Android 9, just click on Download and it will start downloading the update. Inside the emulator, you'll notice that some apps come pre-installed. The Play Store is not included, but don't worry, you can easily install apps. To download apps, open the browser and search for APK Pure. On this website, search for any app you want. For example, if you want to install Telegram, just type Telegram in the search bar. Click the download button and the APK file will be downloaded. Once the download is complete, click here and select app you downloaded. The installation will begin. After that, the app will be ready to use. If you're installing games, you can also customize the key mapping to match your keyboard controls. And friends, that's it for today's guide. I hope this helped you set up the emulator and learn how to install apps and games on it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe.